gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you my ThredUP Goody Box. So I have myself receiving the Goody Box every 6 months because I don't need any more clothes, guys. I have a ton of clothes, and I just don't need to be getting any more clothes, but at the same time, I like to get something new every once in a while, so I thought every 6 months would be the best option for me. So without further ado, let's see what I got this time. Okay, guys, so couldn't throw it too high. Here's my box. It says, hooray, your goodies are here. Awesome. All right, so let's pop this open and see what they sent to me. Okay, so here's all the information. I mean, I don't know if my address is on this. I'm not going to show it to you guys just yet. Let me just see what the dealio is. Okay, so here's what it looks like when you open it up. All right. Try to do this so that I'm not shaking you guys too much, though I already am. They have a return label for you to put everything back in the box that you don't want. If you don't want anything. I mean, maybe I want to keep every single thing they sent to me. It's possible. Even though I don't need it. Okay, so here's a sneak peek at what I'm looking at. Awesome. I think I'm going to set this over here because I think I'm going to keep shaking you guys if I don't do it that way. I don't really like this. This is a sanctuary size medium top. I mean, it's okay. I am definitely not jumping out of my seat over it. So, yeah, we'll have to see how that goes. All right, next. Again, not excited. Ugh, I don't know, something to Muse. I don't think you guys care about the brands, but I just like to let you guys know in case you're curious. Yeah, these are straight see-through though, guys. Look. I mean, come on. Are they swimsuit cover-up pants or something? I mean, no. Yeah, no. I wouldn't even try these on for you guys because you can see straight through them. That's not my jam, guys. So now we have a tart size medium shirt. I'm not a huge fan of the print. I can tell you that right now. I kind of like the fit, the way it'll probably fit. I mean, the way that it's like designed. But, oh, I don't know about this top though. The top part of it. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Not jumping on my seat over that. Okay, so now we have an Ink International size medium. Looks like a shirt. It's cute though. Okay, so there's this. This is cute though. I mean, it's definitely not summery. And yeah, it's see-through, but I would obviously wear a tank underneath it. Looks like it's a jacket. Oh, okay, yeah, it's a jacket. This is cute, guys. I mean, I'm feeling this. This one's cute. So, it's a contender. Depends on how much it is and how it fits. Okay, what else? What's that? Ooh. They put shoes in here. When did they start doing that? Okay, guarantee they won't be 6 inches, but that's kind of cool. All right, so we have a baby size, small, petite, black, stretchy kind of pants. Yeah, I don't know. If they're super cheap, they got their brand logo on the back there. Maybe. Well, let's see. All right, what else do we have in here? Let's speed this up. A cabbie size medium shirt. This one's not bad. There's your brand right there, guys. It's not bad, but it's almost grandma-like, so I don't know, we'll have to see. Oh my God. Guys, I don't wear shorts, and let me just tell you, my tuchus is definitely not good enough for these. This one, these are Madewell super short shorts. Look at that. Bam! Let it all hang out, guys. Yeah, I won't be trying those on for you unless I'm wearing tights underneath them. I'm just saying. All right, Ann Taylor factory size medium shirt. Looks like it's for a grandma. Well, maybe not. It's kind of cute. I don't know. The sleeves are kind of cute. And I'll have to see. Yeah, maybe not. Okay, guys. Again, don't wear shorts, so I won't be wearing these. American Eagle Outfitters. Super short shorts. Woo! Look at that. Yeah. So there's like so many things I'm not going to try on for you guys. Awesome. And then we have some shoes, which is, ooh. I don't know, guys. I mean, the heel looks low, but the shoes are interesting. Look at that. Yeah, I believe me, I know I don't need any more shoes, but I like this cutout on the shoes. What size did they send me? A 6. Jessica Simpson. a possibility. I measure the heel height and all that fun stuff, and we'll have to see. There's quite a few things that I'm totally not trying on for you guys because I'm not. But there's a couple things I'll try on for you guys. So let's go ahead and jump into the try on and decide if I'm going to keep anything or not. And I will give you the cost of everything at that time. Okay guys, for these first two pieces, I have on the Tarte size medium short sleeve blouse. The cost for the blouse is $16.99. Then I have these American Eagle Outfitters size 4 denim shorts on. The cost for the shorts are $20.99. And guys, both of these pieces are just a huge miss for me. I mean, these shorts, come on guys. I would never ever wear shorts like this. They're just not my style. That's why I have the yoga capris on underneath so I feel somewhat comfortable. And the shirt, guys, it's just a loose fit for me and it's just not fitting me the way that I think that it should. I don't know. Both of these pieces are just a complete miss for me this time. So both of them are going back. You're about to see my cat run down the steps, flying away from my son. Let's move on. Okay, so these next two pieces I have on this Ann Taylor for Gay Unger size medium short sleeve blouse. The cost for the blouse is $25.99. And then I have these Madewell 27 waist denim shorts. The cost for these is $25.99. And again, guys, the blouse isn't that bad, but I don't know. It's just really not my cup of tea. I don't know. It just feels a little old lady to me. And then the shorts I don't like for obvious reasons. I mean, come on, guys. My little bootay would be totally hanging out the bottom of these shorts, and that's just not how I roll. Like, that's not ever how I roll. So that's clearly why, again, I have on these yoga capris underneath them just to feel somewhat comfortable for this try on. So clearly both of these pieces are another miss, so they're going to both go back. Okay, next we have this Sanctuary size medium short sleeve blouse. The cost for the blouse is $19.99. And then we have these Amuse Society size small casual pants. The cost for the pants are $23.99. Guys, could you get more of a miss on both of these pieces? I mean, come on. I mean, obviously I shouldn't try them on together, but I'm just trying to speed up the try on. But the blouse is just terrible, guys. The cut of the blouse, the print of the blouse, I just don't like anything about the blouse at all. And the pants, I mean, come on. They're straight see-through and no. I still have the yoga capris on, guys. I'm just saying. So no, and no. Let's move on. Okay, for these next two pieces, I have on this Cabby size medium short sleeve blouse. The cost for the blouse is $20.99. And then I have these Bebe size small jeggings on. The cost for the jeggings are $22.99. Guys, the blouse isn't that bad, but it's not that great either. The jeggings fit okay, but I don't know. Guys, I'm just not a fan of anything that fits like low-waisted. I wear all of my stuff high-waisted. I just feel a lot more comfortable that way. So that's why I'm really not a fan of where these jeggings are hitting me waist-wise. And the top, I don't know. It comes off a little old lady to me. So I'm just really not a fan of either of these pieces either. So both of them are also going back. Okay, so the last two pieces are this Ink International Concept size medium blazer. The cost for the blazer is $20.99. And then I have on the Jessica Simpson size 6 heels. The cost for the heels are $34.99. I'm really not a fan of the blazer, guys, because I just didn't expect it to be like so short. I just wish it was just a little bit longer, and I think that I would like it better and be a little bit more comfortable in it. And then the shoes, I like the shoes, but I don't like the shoes $34.99, if you know what I'm saying. So obviously both of these pieces are also going back just because I'm not a huge fan of the prices, and the fit of the blazer is just not quite right. But if it was priced a little bit cheaper, I would have most likely kept it, and I also would have kept the shoes. So overall, guys, it's a little bit of a bust. Let's go ahead and jump into my final thoughts. Okay, guys, so that was a bit of a bust this time. I wasn't excited about any of the pieces when I pulled them out of the box. And then when I tried them on, I was just like, ugh. You know, I just wasn't excited about them. I knew the shorts were not going to work out at all, even though they fit me. I mean, they are just for somebody who is far younger than me and with a much better bottom than mine. So I just would not feel comfortable wearing those shorts anyway. And then the shoes were cute. They were definitely right on track with the shoes for me. I just don't want to pay $34.99 for them. I mean, I'm just not that excited about them. If they were a little bit cheaper, I would have probably definitely got the shoes. They were comfortable. They had a little little bit of a unique style, which is definitely right up my alley. They were a 5.5-inch heel. I did measure them. So, I mean, I definitely would have got the shoes if they weren't so expensive. I just don't want to pay $34.99 for them. I mean, guys, I just bought, how many pairs of shoes did I buy recently? I don't know, 50 plus pairs. Like, I don't need any more shoes, but I would have totally got those if they were the right price point. So, I don't know, guys. This one was a total bust. Usually ThredUP never disappoints me, but I was quite disappointed this time. So, yeah, you know, I'm sending everything back. I'm not going to keep anything this time, so hopefully they do a much better job next time. But if anybody's interested in getting the ThredUP Goody Box, I will link everything in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! And on this video, I have for you my ThredUP Goody Box. So I think I have myself on a, how do you say that? A 3-month? All right, try it again. And on this video, I have for you a ThredUP Goody Box. So I don't know if I like the way that looked. Why do I even do that? I don't know. Let's try it again. And on this video, I have for you a ThredUP Goody Box. So I think I have myself receiving these every single month. No, it's every 3 months. Why can't you talk? Try it again. What's up, gorgeous? Well, let me do the math. Hold on a second. But I still like to get something new every once in a while, so I thought every 6 months would work for me. So I said the month's weird. Did everything else good. Try it again. And when I tried them on, they were just okay. Like, I wasn't wowed by anything. You know what I mean? And I knew that those shorts were definitely not be okay. Bam. I mean, I wasn't wowed by them. I wasn't like, oh my gosh, I have to have these shoes. They were cute. They were definitely got my style right. Sorry.